see we got two people. We got two people here. That's what's up. Mic level's good. Mic level's good. Can y'all hear me? Can you guys hear me? Check, check. 1, 2. Okay. Boost this up just a little bit more. What about now? What about now? Dope. All right. Let's get right into it. Let's get right into it. So, what we got on Bitcoin, it ain't looking good. Oh, special shout out to my Patreons, right? It ain't looking good, y'all. But there might be some light at the end of the tunnel. Maybe. All right. So on the daily, it's looking not very good. All right. Because we are still under this 200-day simple moving average, which is this red line here. Okay. And on the daily, I don't really have good support lines because we lost that 200 SMA, which is this red line here. All right. We lost that literally on the 1st of January. Okay. And we covered that yesterday. So I'm trying not to rehash what we already went over yesterday. All right. On the weekly, you can see the bigger picture. All right. I was hoping that this week would be the start of the first green candle. Nope. Nope. All right. This green line here, this 50 SMA, this 50 SMA green line here, when we start closing candles below this, traditionally, it's the indication that we are going to start a bear market. Yeah. Yeah. So this was last week. We were flirting with this trend line. This week, the candle has started well below that trend line, right? So what does that mean? It means that, okay, cool, Paul. I see. Perfect. What does that mean? To me, it could mean a lot of things, right? Bear markets could be shorter time frames in crypto now, right? Yeah, like I was saying, Paul, like, cause I've been in the market since 2017. This is not 2017. In 2017, we didn't have crypto.com on the top of where the Lakers play, right? We didn't have crypto and Coinbase ads in a lot of places that they are today, for lack of a better term, right? It's a different market right now, right? So even if we go into a bearish trend, it may not be the same type of bearish trends that we saw back in 2017, 2018, right? It could be it's more like a bearish cycle, right? So if you look here, right, this bearish cycle after that huge run that started back in 2020 from the COVID crash, right? That bearish cycle lasted 98 days. Yeah. 98 days was the last bearish cycle, right? And that went from 12 April to 19 July. So if history were to rhyme or repeat itself, and we went out, let's say about 90 days, that takes us into February. First week February. That's right around the corner. That's nothing, guys. That's nothing. This is nothing. All right. If it plays out the same, that's if. Okay. Or similar. Maybe it could be a shorter cycle, right? But we have external factors outside of the crypto market, interest rates, uh, you know, the virus, stuff like that. Um, we got a lot of other variables going on right now. Okay, so it could be different. I'm not one to say that. Oh yeah, because I've been in the market for a couple of years. Yeah, this is how it goes. It may not go like that. Today is a different day. It's a new day. It's a new year. There's more money in the space, right? Yeah, accumulation time frame, exactly. But traditionally, when Bitcoin closes a candle below here, that's not good. Traditionally, okay? What we could be seeing here, is a long squeeze. So they're liquidating people who got in. They got in here back in 8 November, right? 8 November, we came all the way down, damn, to this trend line that I drew for a long ass time. This trend line been here for months before November, right? We came all the way down to that line of 43K, right? So you had people who were in long positions, right? Granted, they could keep that long position open that long, right? So what does the market do? The market says, okay, well, you were lucky enough to, uh, you know, take out a long position on Bitcoin or whatever asset it is at that dump, right? Let's just say Bitcoin right now. We're looking at the Bitcoin chart, right? So if you were long enough to, or lucky enough to catch Bitcoin at 43K, 44K on that first dump, right? Second week, third week dump, right? Now you just holding this long position, waiting and praying that Bitcoin goes back up to 50, 60K. So your 10X leverage could make you a shitload of money, right? So what they do is they say, okay, well, let's bring the market back around further down to scare you out of your position and liquidate you. So a lot of people are getting liquidated since last week and this week. A lot of people are getting liquidated because last week you got people who got in at 40K, and now this week they've either closed their positions or they're getting liquidated, right? Yeah. I think that's what's going on, but I'll just tell you some probabilities based on these charts. So if Bitcoin is not able to hold 40K, right? If he's not able to hold this, we're looking at 36 and even 30K, 31,000. I wouldn't be surprised if we get back down here. It would not surprise me, guys. It would not. But there's so many people buying at 40K. There's a lot of buy pressure at 40K, right? We just got to see how this plays out. Right? Still waiting on the MACD to turn bullish. All right. We got a bearish cross here back in 29 November. Okay. We're waiting to see a first indication. Let me pull this down so you guys can see that a little bit better. We're waiting to see the first indication of a trend reversal, right? So if you guys aren't familiar with the MACD, right, each one of these little lines represents whatever chart you're on. So in this case, it's the weekly. So as you can see here, we had a bearish cross, right? Bearish cross, red candle, or red line, right? And then the seller pressure, when the sell pressure on a bearish MACD cross starts to weaken, these lines here get lighter. Does that make sense? Okay. So as you can see, a lot of people on the first light colored line, right? And you can change these colors too in TradingView, but this is just the default setting, right? Green and red. Green is bullish, red is bearish. Okay. So some people buy on the first light pink or light colored line on the MACD. Okay. And some people wait. So if they were trading on the weekly, they would have waited to see what next week would have done. And you can see next week it was like, nah, we ain't ready to reverse trend yet. And then it's like, okay, we might be reversing trend. We might be reversing trend, right? This indicates as this light line turns pink, that indicates that the sellers who are selling Bitcoin, dumping it, starting to lessen and decrease. The amount of sellers is decreasing once you see these lines start to change colors. And the same on the reverse, right? So strong green, there's a lot of buying. Light green, right? There's less buying, okay? And we could be going into a bearish trend for that particular time frame. That makes sense? Oh yeah, yo, man, BTC 30K, ooh wee. Yeah, I would love to see BTC at 30K because it means that a lot of our alts that we've been waiting to sink our teeth into, they're gonna be on an even more massive discount. More massive discount. Okay, better entries. BTC hits 30K. So guys, check it out. Right? If you check out the fear and greed index, normally when you have this here, you got extreme fear, right? Normally, when everybody has extreme fear and thinks that we're going into a bear market or whatever, the market makers, they will reverse the trend. I can't tell you how long that's going to take. But when I see extreme fear, I think that a reversal is on their way. There's a probability, okay? It's not guaranteed, but there's a probability. All right? So when I see that, then that means that social media, a lot of different sectors in the space that publish content, they're feeling the sentiment is low. The sentiment is bad. So that's what this is indicating, that the sentiment on Bitcoin is bad. And when the sentiment on Bitcoin is bad, normally there's a little bit more pain and then he reverses trend. So as soon as you start seeing YouTubers and people publishing articles saying, oh, with bear market and this, Bitcoin's like, nope, I'm bullish again. He can do that. He can totally do that. $80 Solana, that's a good buy. It's a damn good buy. Solana. Oh yeah. So don't be surprised if this week is like some fake out week where everybody's like, you know, down and out because of crypto. And this weekly candle turns green. Or we get a doji candle, and then next week's a green candle. That could happen too. We could get a weird mixed week, and then next week is the first green candle week. It's totally possible, right? But let's just say, what if? What if Bitcoin did something similar to what he did a couple months ago, right? During the last dump. So if he does something similar, he's at a higher high, right? If he do something similar, it will be interesting to see if we get something like this, right? And then by May, we're at a new all-time high. at 75K. Yeah, I've seen that. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. So there's a lot of different variables in the market right now. Interest rates. Bitcoin is literally it's mainstream-ish, kind of, sorta ish, right? Well, it to me it is. VXV. VXV got listed on KuCoin, didn't it? Yeah, I can't look at VXV on KuCoin, but where was VXV before it hit KuCoin? It was on Uniswap. Let's check out Uniswap. We get more chart data on Uniswap so we can figure out what the heck's going on with this asset, right? So on Uniswap, man, I wish I got into VXV under a dollar. Well, it was about 120, 130. I wish I got into it under $2, but that's okay. So, you want me to do some chart analysis, Paul, or what? So, I'll just pull a fib on it, okay? So, if we pull a fib on VXV, if this fib is accurate, you could say VXV is at the bottom, right? But what I would like to do is let me just pull a fib. Let me pull a fib from here. Yeah, see, I don't like where that lines up. I'm gonna pull it from here. If it doesn't hold where it is, if it does not hold this 340, I'm gonna dare to say it could be in for more pain. Yeah. If it doesn't hold this, if it doesn't hold where it is, like literally exactly where it is to a T, you could see 225, you could see 250, you can see $2 to $2.50 on VXV. Right now, uh, it's at a point where it has historically had support right at this level at 340. Yeah, just over $3. So between here and $3, there's strong support. If it doesn't bounce at 3, it could retest the twos. So if you're picking it up on KuCoin, that's a good opportunity for you to dollar cost average in. You know, it's hard to dollar cost average in on Uniswap because of those gas fees. I think you guys mentioned VRA in the Patreon. Let's check out VRA. VRA is looking fugly. Ooh, VRA is looking really bad. Beat down like a rabbit dog. VRA. VRA really, really looks like it. If Bitcoin doesn't turn back around, it could retest the 1.7 area. Yeah, this could get worse before it gets any better. But I want you guys to notice something. You see all of this here? You see my watch list here, right? Bitcoin is dumping. Well, let's just say Bitcoin is it's not pumping, right? But look what the altcoins are doing. right? We know that altcoins dump harder than Bitcoin, right? But it's not like Bitcoin is like he's going down like $5,000 or $10,000 today, right? But the alts are just selling off. Like they're they're dumping. They're dumping on their own. So yeah, if you're new in this crypto space, like traditionally, what happens is Bitcoin, the top few, if they the top few coins, they do their thing. It's all about them, and then there's the alt season. So right now we're in an alt season bear market as well. You could say overall bear market, but if I look at BTC on the the week, yeah, Bitcoin, you can't deny it, man. Bitcoin's bearish. It's bearish, man. Like I said, when I see him lose this green line here, this 50 SMA, traditionally that's not good. I won't be surprised if we test mid 30s to 30K. But here's the craziness in what I just said. There's so many people who are feeling the same way that they've just like, okay, they've just assumed we're in a bear market because we lost that support. There's thousands of other people looking at that same line, right? That's when the market makers turn stuff around. So like I said in the Patreon group the other day, I was like, hey, this week, last week and this week could be the worst of this. Maybe going into next week. If we were to turn around, it would be within that time frame between now and the next 2 weeks. Now and the next 10 to 14 days. I think that within the next 10 to 14 days, Bitcoin is going to make a move down or up. So just prepare yourselves. Have some dry powder. Go on Coinbase and just deposit your fiat into USDC or USDT and just have it on standby. If you got gems that you want to pick up off KuCoin, send that money over there. Send that USDT, USDC to KuCoin. What I do is I buy USDT directly from Coinbase, and then I send it to KuCoin because I don't want to be buying crypto initially if I'm trying to buy cryptos in different places, I don't want to be buying using my credit card or my debit card. I don't want to use different fiat on ramps, right? Or crypto on ramps. I just want to have one source like Coinbase or crypto.com, and I use them to transfer my fiat into crypto, whether that be into ETH or to stablecoin, and then I send that to wherever I'm going to do my business. All right. So, you guys got any other projects? Oh yeah, yeah. Well, I got a debit card with Wells Fargo, so I've been with them for a while. But they don't let me use my Visa card. But my debit card, yeah. As long as that money's in the account, it comes out. Loom. He said Loom. Let me check out Loom. Loom Network is a good project though, actually. Do they have a USDT pair? Oh, yeah, Loom. Loom does not have USDT pair on KuCoin. They have one on Huobi. Let's check out the Huobi chart. Loom is one of those cryptos, man. Let's see Loom. Loom Network, $60 million market cap. Circulating supply 833, 914,000. Okay. So 83% of the supply is out, roughly 84%. Loom Network's been around for a minute. Like, they've been around for a minute. You see, they came out back in 2018. 9 cents ran up to 60 cents. Haven't done much since then. I mean, they capitulated all the way down to a penny. A penny. Damn. That's Loom old. Hold on a sec. They got Loom new? This is new Loom. Am I looking at the right thing? Okay, this is new Loom. Okay. Okay, I'd be curious to know what they did with their tokenomics. Yeah, Loom is a nice project. No doubt. Now, Loom, let's take a look at what Loom could do. All right. Now, I'm looking at the weekly chart. I look at the weekly chart because, I like to invest in on the weekly if I plan to. It depends if I want to swing trade it or hold it for a long-term position. Then I may look at the weekly or the 3-day or the 5-day to look for a good entry. So we can see here, next strong support is really at the 5.5 cent area, but it seems to want to retest that before it tries to make a reverse trend and get back to the 10 cent area. That's the thing with crypto. There's so many projects, you just can't. You drive yourself crazy trying to track so many different cryptos. You know, but during a bull market, it's best to pick a few and just roll with those. Honestly, in a bear cycle is where I want to invest in more cryptos because I know they're on sale, and when they do recover, I'm gonna make a lot of money. Yo, you in Loom Network? Are you in? Are you holding Loom? Are you a Loomer? See Raymond. I hope I said that right. Algorand is also a nice project. Yeah. So here on Algo, on the weekly, strong support at about 125. All right. If that doesn't hold, that ain't gonna be good. Hold on, that's a 2-day. My bad, my bad. Let me see what the weekly looking like. So on the weekly, you can see just similar to the Bitcoin chart, that 50 SMA is still intact. This week and next week will determine if that can hold for Algo. All right. If that doesn't hold for Algo, where it is right now, if that does not hold, you could see $1 to 85 cent Algo. Yeah, from where it is now. Yeah, totally. This is alt alt capitulation season. It's alt capitulation season. Some alts are crashing harder than others. Clearly. Ooh, LCX just broke 13. You serious? I should have waited one more day to add some more LCX. That's okay. I'm another buyer of LCX. Should we retest 10? Omi's good, man. I wish I had took that project a little bit more serious. Wait. You mean Omize Go? No, that's OMG. You mean Ecomi? Yeah. Let me see if I can get some more chart data. Binance. So Binance got listed back in March. Yeah, it's total. Everything that all those gains from July. No, that's OMG. Oh my gosh, Omi, crypto. Omi, OKX. Now you know Omi. I think Omi was on Uniswap before it hit exchanges. Wrapped Omi token. Okay, this is wrapped Omi. Hmm. This is wrapped Omi. 400%. Okay. So Omi needs to hold where it is. If Omi don't hold, it's not good. If Omi doesn't hold its current support level, you could see 0.003. Okay. Yeah, I think Omi's a good project. I also heard that they partner with Immutable X as well. Yeah, Immutable X. It's only a matter of time for Immutable X, and Immutable X is on Coinbase too. IMX. Yeah, so if you take a look at, they just listed Immutable X. Can't be right. Immutable X USD. Yeah, it launched on FTX at first. So yeah, you can see it launched and it just, man, it launched, ran up to 8, dumped back down to 3, ran back up to 9, and then it got listed on Coinbase. I think there was a little pump, right? And yeah, right now, this is a good entry for IMX if you want to get in on IMX. It could retest 3, but not sure. Not a lot of chart data. It's a young chart, right? So, I mean, you could look in the 4 hour and get more data. But the next support zone is roughly $3 even. Okay. Yeah, the killer entries were really early, mid Mid 2020, early 2021. That was the killer entry for alts. If you missed that entry, you jumped into crypto and you've been playing catch up. Like literally. Like literally. This could be your second chance. KDA. Cadena is trying to hold. It's trying to hold that it's trying to hold that $8 area. Okay? It's trying to hold that $8 area. Let's see on the weekly. It's not a lot of chart data on the weekly. 2 day. 2 day. Yeah. Prepare for potential $6 land for Cadena. If BTC keeps acting drunk. Yeah, Cadena's a long-term hold. Yeah, like I said, Cadena, nothing even built on the platform yet. Okay, they have some stuff built. Not released to the public yet. It ran from $1 up to $30. I'm excited to see what it does when their products are live. And now people are using the network, right? Yeah, they do 400, 500,000 transactions per second, roughly. But when we start seeing that in action, right? You know, projects can have issues, all right? They can have issues in the beginning. It's possible. I remember damn crypto kitties broke Ethereum because it couldn't handle the stress. Oh yeah, those Cadena miners, they're not cheap. Not cheap. Gotta pay to play. Paul, you gotta pay to play, man. It's only 40K. What's that? A Bitcoin? Yeah, it does. Yeah, 1K Cadena could be life changing soon. So let me just here. Because it's in the I would say it's kind of like in the Solana conversation or Ethereum conversation, right? Um, let's take a look at something like Terra. Or no, let's take a look at something like eGold, right? Aron Gold. Oh man, where can I find the best chart data on Elron? Within OKX? Yeah. Okay. OKX. This is what I think Cadena is gonna do. It's gonna do something like this. Elron Gold in October 2020 was under $10. All right. And then it took it, what, 2 months? Right. It had its first breakout. It took about 3 months. But Elron Gold, they had did a rebrand or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys recall, drop it in the comments. But Elron Gold had different tokenomics before. Like they had a couple billion tokens or something like that. And then they decreased their token supply dramatically to what you see today. Right? And so it just took off, man. I think Cadena is going to do something like this. So if you're able to hold this Cadena, give it 18 months, you had 1,000 of them. I'm telling you, I think $100, $200, $300 Cadena is possible. 3,000% gain on your money. 3,000? Is it 3,000? Yeah. Yeah, because 1,000% gain is a 10x. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think it's gonna do something like this. Now they've got more tokens, so I don't know that they'll get up to 500 or 600, but I think 100, 200, maybe 300. I think it's possible. I gotta check because I was researching it a while ago when I got into Cadena about staking and what that process is, and um, I decided not to go through with trying to stake Cadena or figure out how to stake it. I didn't want to do that. Moda DAO. Moda DAO is on Uni, right? Oh yeah, Moda DAO is kind of on sale. It's under 4. Ooh, 350. $3.50 for Moda DAO. Not bad. There's not a lot of chart data on Moda DAO because it came out in December, right? So we're early on this. I mean, this was trading up at $6-7. Oh wow, that must have been when they first dropped liquidity into Uniswap. $2,000. Jeez Louise. I hope nobody bought it up there. That wouldn't be good. I can't really see support lines. I can't really see. But oh my gosh, man. There's only 885,059 Moda DAOs pooled on Uniswap. Wait, is this Uniswap or Sushi? I think I had to get mine off Sushi, actually. Yeah, I think I got mine off Sushi. Let me see, Sushi Swap. And then put Moda. What does it do? Okay, same thing. Yeah, I can only guesstimate that right now is a good entry for Moda DAO. I don't see it breaking 3. It could. It totally could, though. Example, if you bought like 500 or 1,000 right now and it dumped down to $2, $2.50, I would just get my cost basis down. It's gonna go back up. Motor down. Let's see. What's popping on the Twitter? Moda Club Kicks decentralized wearables. Okay. They're doing some stuff with NFTs. Wait, hold on a second. Let me read that right. Okay, they retweeted. Okay. That was a retweet. Moda Silver. Dope. Yeah, okay, so somebody put the Moda DAO logo on there. Huh. That might not be a bad investment if you're a Motor Dow bull. A what? Hold on a sec. Moda lounge loafers. Oh man, I'm buying some of these, guys. I'm grabbing some of these, yo. I want those loafers. Oh, what else? What else do they have? Ooh, Moda moon boots. Ah, come on, guys. What? 1,500? Oh, damn. Wow. Should when Motor Dow takes off, it gets to a multi-billion-dollar market cap. You know how much these NFTs are gonna be worth? What you got? What you got, Raymond? What you got? Good looking. Yeah, thanks. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, we're gonna do these more often. VRX? Why? I know VRX. Sounds very familiar. Is this a L1, Raymond? Ooh, there's only 47,000. It's on Gate. Damn, this thing is this. Just looking at the chart here, it looks like it's trying to find a home. It's trying to find a home. Trying to find a bottom. Seriously. Let me see here. When did it come out? 15 January. 2021. So it's been out for a year. What is this project? When DeFi meets AI. I heard about this project some months ago, but I didn't want to pay for it at that price. Verox is the artificial intelligence investment manager for crypto and DeFi. We fuse the expertise of select crypto partners with artificial intelligence to achieve above human performance. I won't play that video. I don't want to get demonetized. The next big thing in crypto: human expertise meets AI. I don't know, guys. You know, projects like this, as long as I've been in the space, this looks like one of those projects that is the success is going to be reliant on adoption. Yeah, how many people are actually going to use this? You know, that would be my concern. What's the demand for this? And clearly there is a market. How big is that market? Okay, you got 64,000 followers. Have you used this, Raymond? Have you used their tool, their platform? Oh, crypto.com listed Clifford Inu. Huh. That's interesting. Let's see something. Cliff is on sale right now. This looks like a good entry on Cliff, to be honest. $50 million market cap. Yeah, I just would be concerned with adoption on this one. Like how many people are going to use it. I don't always get flashed by Twitter numbers because never know. But it does look like they have a strong community from what I see. Let me see something. I was just curious. I don't even know what the circulating supply of this token is. Market cap is 48. So let's say this is the accurate 48. Okay, so let's just say it as well, just circulating. What if Clifford got up to Sheep's market cap? Damn. If it got up to Sheep's market cap, that would be a 300x. So what would it be at a 7 billion? Would we hit 1 penny? I think we hit a penny at 7 billion. Nah, just about. More like 10 billion. It's around 9 billion. Cliff would hit 10 cents. I'm sorry, 1 penny. Yeah, Moda. Paul, check it out. I did a deep dive on them before I started the Patreon. If I did it after I started the Patreon, then, you know, that would have definitely been a Patreon only video. What they got planned, it's insane, man. What ModaDAO has planned, if you guys don't know, watch my video or do your own research or do both. Because ModaDAO is a very ambitious project. Three to 5 years from now for Moda, should we do a price prediction? Let's check it out. I like doing these. Moda. Yeah, Moda. So ModaDAO right now, I think they have, what do they have in circulation? Market cap of 3 million. I think there's less than 1 million in circulation, guys. I did it in that video. I had the information in that video. Damn, what was it? Max supply. I think it was 2.75 million in circulation. Let me see. Market cap is 3. Market cap is 3 million. Yeah, 3 million. I think I want to say that it's yeah. I think there's 1 million in circulation. All right. So for ModaDAO, I think $1 billion market cap is achievable. But due to the limited supply, I would just say $500 million market cap is definitely in the cards. Right? But I think it's going to go well beyond that. they still got to release more tokens, right? So with the current supply, which I don't think it would be the current supply when they hit a $500 million market cap. If they kept this current circulating supply and they hit $500 million market cap, every token will be worth 500 bucks. So I like to do something a little bit more realistic. So I'm like, okay, there's 10 million. And then I'd say, okay, with 6 million tokens in circulation. 6, okay? And now they hit $1 billion market cap. What price are we looking at? Damn. $183 with 6 million tokens in circulation. Let's say all of them in circulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'd still be $100 per token. Right? $1 billion market cap. And then I did Audius. Okay, Audius is at $500,000. So with all tokens in circulation, when they hit Audius's current market cap, $66 per token for MotorDAO. Now let's just say there's half the total supply out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $132 per token with 5 million tokens in circulation, and they hit Audius's market cap at just under $500 million per market for the market cap. Excuse me. But it's a long game. It's a long game. I will give Moda 18 to 24 months to do what they got to do. They came out, if we are going into a bear market, then they came out at the end of the bull market. So I'm telling you, if this gets worse and you see like a $1 MotorDAO, but then you know what you got to do. NFA. Yeah, Paul. It's definitely one of the things I like to do. When you read about these projects and what they're trying to do in their early phases, okay, when I do that, and my crypto experience filter that I have, I'm not the end all be all, and I don't know everything, right? But I have I got a certain oh, it's been an hour. Damn. Man, we've been having some fun on this little AMA. Anyway. Yeah, when I read about a project and certain things about that project stand out to me, I take it very seriously. And it's one of the recommendations I would say if you're new to crypto, but that's kind of dangerous because I can't really say that because you're looking at projects in a different way. So I say if you've been in crypto for about a year, you have learned a lot of stuff, but you have so much more to learn. That's okay. That's okay. It's like that for everybody. You just got to keep going. You got to keep going. And understand that you're just scratching the surface after being in crypto for a year, or let alone 6 months, or a year and a half. Say about a year, you're still wet behind the ears. If you're really trying to get into this space and figure out what the hell you should be doing, how you should be engaging it, right? So, I can't really say that applies to someone who's really new to crypto, but it does if they're looking for certain things, right? So one of the things that's really important for me when I evaluate projects is, okay, I want to look for projects like layer ones, things like that people can build off of, right? I like these kinds of projects, okay? Because what's in the top, what's here? What's in the top 10? Bitcoin, currency, Ethereum smart contract platform, Binance Smart Chain smart contract platform, Solana smart contract platform, Cardano smart contract platform, Polkadot, Terra. What can people do with those projects? They can build off of those projects. I think a lot of money is moving out of stocks. So, oh yeah, Paul, that you totally. Ooh, tough to say. Yeah, I was talking to the Zamo Law CEO about that, about ETH 2.0, and yeah, it's I don't know. I don't know how positive ETH 2.0 is going to be for Ethereum, other than the gas fees. Because if you make it super dirt cheap to transact on Ethereum, you could have another Binance Smart Chain on your hands, where people are just creating scam project after scam project after scam project, and then Ethereum loses its value. I believe that that's one of the reasons Ethereum has not released ETH 2.0. They're just delaying it. What do you mean? It does so much on its network. Yeah, it does. No, I mean, Ethereum is awesome. I mean, look what it's done. Look what it's started, right? With launching smart contracts. You know, that's Ethereum. They started that, right? So, but it's like I say, um, what's hot today may not be hot tomorrow. So in 5 years from now, Ethereum could be dethroned. Ethereum could flip Bitcoin. Cardano could flip uh, Ethereum. Cadena could flip Cardano. Cadena could also maybe flip Ethereum. Theoretically, damn near almost every crypto could potentially run on Cadena in the crypto space because of their infinite scalability and their chain web architecture. That's crazy. Ah, yeah, Jack Dorsey. Yeah, you got upset about that. Jack Dorsey is man, he's about crypto. I think he's more of a Bitcoin bull though. Yeah, I can't really say what I could see in the top 10 in 5 years from now. I think Bitcoin will be there, probably still number one. I think, man, I think LCX could be in the top 10. I think Cadena could be in the top 10, right? There's too much money behind Ethereum and Ethereum scaling solutions to let Ethereum wither away. It's gonna rain. It's gonna reign supreme for a while. I believe that. I could be wrong though, but Ethereum's run is not over. But there will be heavy competition coming. I think someone mentioned a new project today in the Patreon. Still checking that one out too. Smart contract platform. Any takers? Any more? Any other projects y'all want me to check out? Or charts? Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Things are looking. Glitch holding. Look like it may try to bounce. Can't really chart much of anything. The best thing to chart right now is Bitcoin. He's the leading indicator. If we look at the total crypto market cap, I wanted to show this to you guys too. So on the weekly, I added this to my watch list. You can see it looks just like Bitcoin because Bitcoin has the largest market cap, right? So this is the overall total crypto market cap. We're still holding at 50 SMA, right? We're still holding that, guys. I'm setting an alert right here for $1.8 trillion. Because if we lose that, that would indicate to me that we could possibly see 1.6 trillion and $1.3 trillion for total market cap for crypto, right? And if we lose 1.2, that's not going to be good either. Because then we could see under $1 trillion market cap for the whole crypto market. So just literally cut all your holdings. Like, yeah, your holdings will probably be 35% of what they are now if that happens. So it won't be fun. Oh, AVAX. I'm bullish on AVAX. I like AVAX. I like their network. Again, this is what I think. Cadena is gonna do something like this, guys. It's gonna do something like this. Ooh, September 2020. You could have bought AVAX for $3. Literally, if you would have bought there, you just had to hold it for 420 days. You would have made, damn, dude. What is that? 1000%? 460x? Is that right? 4,600? Yeah, because 1,000% is 10. So 10,000% is 100x. So that's 4,000. Yeah, I'm sorry, 47x. It's 47x. I know, but this is why, like, when you find cadenas and you read about them, you take them serious. Take them serious. Yeah. Fed, print money. Money machine go brrr. And it keeps going brrr. Right? Oh, yeah. I can see Cadena there in the top 10, 5 years. Sorry, Flux. Flux, my bad. 5 years. I could see Flux up there. Maybe in the top 15. Damn, August 2021. Flux was trading at 10 cents. You're up 25x if you got in at that point. Yeah, I'm on it right now. I'm on the weekly. So this week looks like we could be reversing trend to go downwards, right? I don't like the data that I have on the weekly there. So let me look at the 2-day. Flux is still above the 50 SMA on the 2-day. That's bullish enough for me. Okay, so see some areas of support. All right, we got areas of support at 150 and $2. And also where he is now at 250. All right, if we lose those supports, you could see an 86-cent flux. All right, Raymond, have a good one. Hey, thanks for joining. I appreciate it. Yeah, Paul, those are the entries. Hey, Raymond, where you at in the world? If you're still on, I think you broke off already. Yeah, he seems like good people. Yeah, totally. Yeah, but I'm super bullish on Flux though. It won't surprise me if Flux and Cadena make it to Coinbase at some point. And I think Flux is hybrid. Proof of work, proof of stake. I'm not sure. If you guys know, drop it in the comments. I'm going to research that though myself too. Oh yeah, yeah, Flux is definitely a good hold. Most definitely. Yeah, what is Truebit doing? 35 cents, holding like a champ. Oh wow. Just about an hour ago, there was a 6.49 Ethereum buy on Truebit. 55,772 Truebit just purchased. Yeah. Oh snap. Earlier today, there was an 11.15 Ethereum buy on Truebit. They bought 100K. Oh man. Hold on, man. In the past couple. Oh wow. You see that? You see that, Paul? 12.73 ETH, 11.15 ETH, 10.9 ETH. This was in the past few hours on Truebit. If you're ever in doubt, don't matter. Yeah, does not matter. Well, what we know about Truebit and us knowing what we hold, this is what I do sometimes. If I'm ever like thinking about Truebit and like, man, why is it not moving? Why is it not doing anything? I just come see who's making big buys. Yeah. So keep knowing that, when it gets back up to 60, 70, 80 cent, there's going to be some sell pressure. Those guys will be up nicely. But that's part of the game. This is crypto. It's traded 24/7 around the world, nonstop. No breaks, no days off. Yeah, no doubt. Oh man, that AMA with Zamo laws, juicy stuff in that AMA, man. I asked them a lot of questions. Yeah, so the CEO Andy said he was gonna upload the the recording. So I gotta check that out. I'm gonna check that out and let you know. I think they're gonna put it on the website. Hey, Zamo Laws has big plans, y'all. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, man. If you get in on Zamo right now, and you get your nice bag, buy some Zamo Laws. If you watch this video, buy Zamo Laws. You've never seen a meme project with the utility that they're about to bring to the crypto space. I'm going to do a follow-up video on them soon. Zamo Laws. All right? I told you about it under $1 million market cap. Zamo Laws. Zamo. And you know where it's going, y'all? To the moon. No, it's on Uni. Check it out. It's new. $456,000 market cap. If you got in now, by the time it got to a $500 million market cap, you will have 100x your money. It gets to a $1 billion market cap, you 200x your money, right? No, actually, no. That math is all wrong. That math is all wrong. It's gonna be a lot more. It's gonna be a lot more, fam. Look, if you do the math and you say 1 billion divided by 1 million, 1000x. If you get in on Zamo Laws right now and it goes to $1 billion market cap, multiply that 1000x by 2, 2000x. Yeah. So literally, with $1,000, just $1,000 put in there, when it reaches a $1 billion market cap, you will have made $1 million. Actually, if you put 1,000 in now, when it reaches a $500 million market cap, you will have made $1 million. Y'all got to research Zamo Laws. If you watch this video and you stay till the end, you just got a gem. And I already did a review video on them too. It's in my my videos. Yeah, zamolaws.com. They'll be listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap soon. When that happens, it's gonna break $1 million market cap. I don't have a crystal ball. That's my hunch. And it'll probably hover around the 1.5 to 2 million to $3 million market cap for a while. They got so much lined up for the next 6 months, Paul. It's insane. Staking, play to earn game, coming out with their own DEX. They're coming out with an analytics platform. I never seen a meme coin or meme related project that serious. It's crazy, man. Cool concept, cool idea. I'm gonna try to find a recording though. But I would say if you want to get in on it, there's only 374 holders. So here's the deal. If you're new to crypto, you see cryptos like this, it's a risk, but the risk to reward is insane. Look at what they have coming up, right? Now, that doesn't necessarily guarantee they're going to succeed and go to $1 billion. But here, the risk to reward ratio is insane. It's still under $1 million market cap. Oh my gosh. There are tokens that don't have anywhere near as much utility as Zamo laws has currently and will. Well, they're still launching some things. They got a lot. They got the first quarter, second quarter of this year is jam packed for Zamo laws. And they mentioned in that call that there could be some type of partnership with Saitama. And you know what Saitama is, right? What is that? $4 billion market cap? Uniswap KYC? What do you mean? There's no KYC on Uniswap. Yeah. So like I said, they're not even on Unis CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap yet. They said that's coming this week. Okay. But yo, Paul, this has been awesome. Raymond, thank you as well. I know you already broke off. Um, oh yeah, you checking out the website? Check out the white paper too. Yeah, holler at me about it in the in the telegram. I'm gonna break off. Yeah, salute to you. Yeah, we'll get it in again soon. I'll do another one of these soon. All right, I'll get up with you in the telegram. All right, DeFi Moneyverse free telegram. Y'all check it out. We're talking about all things DeFi related in the crypto space, everything in crypto, really. All right, check it out. And also, if you want to become a Patreon, get access to exclusive content, you can go to patreon.com/Deuscrypto. Check out the silver and the gold membership, and I'll check you guys out later. All right, peace.